Dubbed as nature's playground, this is the country's northernmost and smallest province and is among the most sought after tourism frontier destinations located at the confluence of the West Philippine Sea and Pacific Ocean. This archipelago province has been declared by the government as a protected landscape and seascape and at the same time an ancestral domain. This is Batanes. Hello fellow wanderers! Samahan niyo ako sa pag-iikot ng probinsya ng Batanes. Tara! There we go, Basco, Batanes! For this Batanes adventure, sobrang punong-puno ng excitement at kaba. As usual, solo na naman. Alone, but definitely not lonely. Yes, that's true. Sa mga solo travels katulad nito, ang dami natin makikilala ng mga bagong kaibigan. Tour guides, tricycle drivers, vendors, at saka yung mga tao dito sa community.
Welcome to Batanes.
So una natin ginawa ay magrehistro at magbayad ng tourism at environmental fee. Pagkatapos nito, ready na tayo para mag-ikot ng buong probinsya ng Batanes. At sa pag-ikot natin, nalaman natin na yung Batanes pala ay composed of different islands. Pero tatlo lang yung may mga tao. Yung isla ng Sabtang, isla ng Itbayat, at isla ng Batan. Welcome to Batanes! Ito pala yung pa-welcome ng Basco Batanes. O diba? First destination pa lang, sobrang ganda na. After dito, puntahan natin ang ibang spots ng northern part of the main island of Batan. Siyempre, unahin natin yung Mount Carmel Chapel. This chapel is the only one in Batanes which adopted a stone house style. Makikita sa Sitio Tucon in Barangay Chanarian, its prime position above the hills has made it a popular spot for weddings. Diba? Ang ganda. Ito naman ang Valugan Boulder Beach. Ito ay sikat for its long stretch of boulders due to Mount Irayas eruption in 400 AD. Okay, diretso tayo sa Batanes Lighthouse. It's prominent because of its location. And by the way, sobrang ganda dito pag sunset. At dito ang favorite spots para makakuha ng Milky Way galaxy shots. So if may camera kayo, huwag niyong kalimutan pumunta dito. Next destination naman ay ang sikat na bayang Rolling Hills. Kasama pa rin natin yung tour guide na si Angelo. We will be visiting the seemingly endless waves of rolling hills that are perfectly backdropped by the seascape. Sabi niya, sobrang ganda daw pag malayo. Sobrang maganda at mag-i-enjoy ka daw pag naglalakad. The crumpled landscape creates layers of different shades of green. At sa gitna doon, baka, kambing, manok, grazing and resting prettily. Plus, this spot is the best vantage point for an unhampered view of the province islands. And from here, Basco Lighthouse can be easily seen, standing majestically as it prepares to welcome seafarers. O diba? Sobrang ganda. And dito, this is the part where you would want to burst into song, sisigaw ka, kakanta ka on top of your lungs, belt out lyrics of your songs, your favorite songs. Basta, mag-i-enjoy ka. Sobrang ganda. Tatakbo ka. Ayun, mag-i-enjoy ka. Sunod naman natin gawin ay bisitahin ang isla ng Sabtang. Sabtang is one of the inhabited islands in Batanes, and depending on the strength of the waves, it is an exciting 30 to 1 hour boat ride from Ivana in Batan Island. So, pag nakapag-arrange ka ng tour package, kasama na yon ang pag-transport from Ivana Port to the island of Sabtang. And since isla to, kailangan talagang perfect timing yung weather. And when would be the best time to travel to Batanes? Sabi nila, it would be dry seasons, which would be from December to May, with April being the driest. Ito pala yung isa ng Sabtang. Sobrang ganda din dito at makikilala natin yung bagong tour guide sa Felix. So, while traveling, ang dami natin natutunan, ang dami nating napag-usapan. So, kahit ano, language, yung culture, yung pagkain, dami naming napag-usapan dito. Hanggang dumating kami sa isang site na tinatawag ng Morong Beach. So, the sea is tamer at Morong Beach, freeing the other side of the island. Sobrang ganda ni dito and its most prominent feature is an art na become an icon of Sabtang and Batanes as a whole. Pinuntahan din natin yung Savido community. It is a village which is abound with traditional Ivatan houses. And pagkatapos dito, dumiretso tayo sa Chamantad Tinian Viewpoint, located between Savidog and Chavayan. This place offers spectacular view of nature in the Pacific Ocean. Sobrang ganda, spectacular, stunning. Batanes. Rocky cliffs rising from the slopes of the hills, creating natural frames for the fantastic vista of Chamantad Cove below. Wow, this is Batanes. This is the beautiful province of Batanes. So after ng Sabtang, balik na tayo sa mainland Batan. Pinuntahan natin yung Chawa View Deck. It is a perfect spot to enjoy Batanes sunsets. After dito, dumiretso tayo sa Tayid Lighthouse or yung Mahataw. It is crested on a hill on Batan Island, topped with a red lantern room and roof, and bears a rubble masonry base and dwelling. Tayid faces the more mischievous Pacific Ocean at hindi yung West Philippine Sea. Sunod naman pinuntahan natin yung Raku Payaman, and is more popularly called Marlboro Country by tourists. Verdant rolling hills serve as the grazing and resting spots for our bovine friends, and it is one of those places where you can just sit, relax, and wallow in the utter peace and beauty before you. Diba? Next naman ay ang M. Najbu Point, Alapad Pass, and Rock Formation. Dito, the road cuts through a small hill, forming what they call Alapad Pass. A few meters from here rises a view deck that gives another stellar vista of the beaches on both sides. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Yung point na wala kang isipang problema, walang trabaho, wala kang problemang iisipin dito, magre-relax lang. Of course, pinuntahan natin yung sikat na Honesty Coffee Shop. Unmanned and always open, ito yung Honesty Shop is a sari-sari store and coffee shop that puts so much trust on its customers. You get what you want and drop your payment at designated boxes, a testament to the admirable values of the locals. Yung, saan ako nag-stay in Batanes? Punta po kayo sa Vatan Inn, kay Kuya Jover. Meron po silang fan room, meron din po silang air-conditioned room.
Hi guys, I'm here in Batanes and if you're going here, punta po kayo dito sa Toledo Souvenir Shop. Yan, nasa Barsaha Street, San Antonio, Pasco, Batanes. So guys, pag pupunta kayo Batanes, dito po kayo dumiretso. Sige, bye-bye.
And thank you to Mr. Dan Mirina, yung tour guide ko na sobrang bait.